Target 3. I can write repeated factors using exponents. When we talk about exponents, we have a big number that's called our base, and then we have a little number up higher that's our power, or our exponent. The base tells us what number is being multiplied over and over, and the power tells us how many times we're going to multiply that number. So 5 to the third would say that I take 5 times 5 times 5. I'm going to have 3 5s written down. I'm going to take my base 3 times. And then 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 would be 125. So if I was going to evaluate 5 to the third, it would be 125. What we are going to do is we are going to write using exponents. So when I have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, it is a lot easier to write 3 to the 5th power. And I got the 3 because that's the base, that's what's being multiplied over and over, and the 5 because there are 5 different 3's. It also works with variables, t times t times t. I have t to the 3rd power because I have 3 t's. Let's do a couple of examples. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 is my base, and I have it 3 times, so it's to the 3rd power. And g times g times g times g times g times g. G would be my base. I have 6g, so it's to the 6th power. You will also be asked to evaluate exponents. So you need to know that if you have a base and an exponent that is not 4 times 2, that is 4 times 4. Repeated factors are being written. You're going to repeat the base 2 times. So 4 times 4 is 16. So if I'm asked to evaluate, I'm going to solve and figure out what 4 squared equals.